everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms for online tests and quizzes. Google Form is perfect for teachers, trainers, and recruiters to create automated tests and quizzes with instant scoring. You can use it for exams, certification tests, or skill assessments. Now let's dive into these steps to show you how to use Google Forms for online tests and quizzes. The first step is to open Google Forms and create a new form. And to do that, just go to workspace.google.com and then /product/form and use your Google account's credentials to log in. Now once you log in using your Google account's credentials, you'll be directed to your Google Forms account. Here, click on a blank form or use a quiz template. I'm going to choose a blank form right here. The second step is to enable quiz mode, and you can do that by going to settings and then toggle the option to make this quiz on, as you can see on my screen. Now after you toggle this option on, turn on release grades immediately for self-grading. Let's look for this one. You can turn on immediately after each submission or later after manual review, wherever you want. Third step is to add test questions with correct answers. You can use different type of questions. Now let's go back to the question section right here. You can title before you can give your quiz or a test a title here. And you can write a brief description describing the test, the subject, etc. Information about the test, the timing. As for the next step is to create questions. You can use multiple choices for self-scoring tests, checkboxes for multiple correct answers, short answers for typed responses, and paragraphs for long-term answers, but manual grading is needed. As for the fourth step is to assign points and feedback. And to do that, just click on the answer key right here and set points per questions. You can also add answer feedback for incorrect answers, and you can add a feedback for correct answers and click on save. You can also add explanations for correct and incorrect answers. As for the fifth step, you can set time limits and restrictions by going to settings and then go to presentation, the presentation section right here. And here you can enable shuffle question order and turn on limit to one response so students take the test only once. As for the sixth step is to share the test, and you can do that by clicking on publish, then clicking on the share icon in the top right corner right here. And then you can set the restriction from anyone with the link to anyone with the link, and copy the responder's link, and just like that you have the link for your test. You can share it via email, classroom link, or embed on a website. The seventh step is to review and grade responses, and you can do that by clicking on responses, and here you will see all the responses. You can also link to Google Sheets to analyze the scores. Now for manual grading, you can go to responses and individual and score manually. See here. And that's it for today's tutorial. Your online test is ready for students to take. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.